Welcome to Word Power English Learning Classroom. In today's session, we are going to learn some phrasal verbs related to the word start. The phrasal verbs which get the sense start. Come on, let us consider the word start off. S-T-A-R-T-O-F-F. Start off. He started off by introducing himself. I would like to start off the meeting with a brief summary. The program started off badly. The program started off badly. Come on, let us take another word, startup. The word startup is commonly used in relation to business. Okay, it is very common nowadays. Startup. She started up a catering company. She started up a catering company. It is his new startup. Okay, come on, let us take another word, start out. It is also related to business. Start out, S-T-A-R-T-O-U-T. It means to embark on a venture related to business. The company will start out with 100 employees. The company will start out with 100 employees. She started out her career as a dancer. She started out her career as a dancer. Come on, let us take another word, start over. Start over, S-T-A-R-T-O-V-E-R. Start over. To begin to do something again. It means to begin to do something again. In American and in British English, the meaning has slight differences. Okay, still it gets the meaning start only. Okay, start afresh. It gets a sense start afresh. This is full of errors. We are going to start over. Clear? This is full of errors. We are going to start over. A new house gives you the chance to start over. A new house gives you the chance to start afresh. Okay. Next, take up. Take up. He recently taken up gardening. She took up the business at the age of 25. Take up, took up. Took up is the past form of take up. Okay. She took up the business at the age of 25. Come on, let us take another word, take off. T-A-K-E-O-F-F. Take off. Her singing career had just taken off. Her singing career had just taken off. The plane will take off on time. It is very common. The plane will take off, OFF, on time. His business has really taken off. His business has really taken off. Here, the taken off gets another sense. It means successful. Okay, come on, let us take another word, breakout. B-R-E-A-K-O-U-T. Breakout. It has a negative sense. Breakout has got a slight negative sense. So be very careful while you use it. Breakout. Clear? War breaks out in the border. War breaks out in the border. It also gets the meaning to start. Clear? Next is kick off. Kick off. The football match kicked off. The football match kicked off. We are kicking off our program with a music album. We are kicking off our event with a music album. Come on, one more word, brought in. Brought in. Brought in is the past form of bring in. Clear? Bring in. This is an opportunity to bring in new talent. This is an opportunity to bring in new talent. New restrictions have been brought in. New restrictions have been brought in related to the COVID-19 pandemic. New restrictions have been brought in related to the COVID-19 pandemic. One more sentence. An independent investigation will bring in to find out the culprits. An independent investigator will bring in to find out the culprits. Clear? That's all for the day. Thank you.